I don't have an air fryer, and because we are Asian, our oven is always full of pots. So I used a microwave and saved on a ton of calories. I placed the parchment right on the turny thing. It took about 12 minutes.